you in Macau. It's been a while. I want to see you. You make me smile. Hello, Macau. Oh, how have you been? I really want to see you. Oh, my, Macau. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. I'm looking at you, Macau, wanting to sing more of you. Oh, what am I to do? I'm looking at you again. Oh, my, Macau. That's my, Macau.
So we're at St. Dominic's, so that's St. Dominic's Church, and this is actually St. Dominic's Street, which is right up there. So we're going to kind of capture this whole scene and just kind of show you what's all going on around here. Santa Square is down that way. Lots of people, but we're going to walk up St. Dominic's and kind of have fun with this and see what that's all about. Macau, St. Dominic's, up on the map. This is a street I filmed many times because it's kind of a cool pedestrian street that's very photogenic and always worth filming. So so I also have lots of past looks of what it looked like. And if you go to my end, you can go to the thumbnails, and you can see St. Dominic's. And I think I can only put 2 up there, but I've probably filmed it at least 15-20 times, including times in COVID. You can go all the way back to that time period where there's hardly anybody there. It's kind of interesting as well. So those are all kind of records of times of these streets. And anyways, this is what it looks like exactly in this particular moment in time, January 2025. Okay, St. Dominic's, let's do the walk and talk and show you what it looks like as if you were there yourself. Oh, let's see. So that's St. Dominic's. Let's take a look at the church here. So this is going to be St. Dominic's Street. We're going to go up and try to get some nice angles. A lot of people here this weekend, so that's actually, usually this street is not this crowded, but today it is. And this is Largo de Domingos. We're going to catch the street in a second. Let's kind of come around here real quick.
The church was...
Okay, so here we go. So they can easily see the square. And the St. Dominic's is directly up that way, the street, and we're in the square right here. So we're gonna meander. Let's kind of meander that way. Okay. I'm trying to capture. There's certain angles you can catch where this looks pretty amazing. It might be. But there's just so many people today. So we're gonna go check out this one more time and see what's going on here. Somebody in there? Oh, you know what? I think that just floats around. I don't know if it fell down or what. Let's see. Oh. So it was active, somebody was in there, but I guess they fell down and...
Poor person.
You can see them moving around a little bit. There we go. Now they're getting out. Oh, you can see the person in there now. If you look through the eyes. Okay, so we're gonna move along. We just kind of capture it like that. So pretty cool. And we're gonna walk into this giant crowd right here. Let's see if we can navigate this. Oh. It's really crowded today. So let me try to come over and show you the street sign in a second here. There it is right there. So we're on Rua de Domingos right there. So that's the street that we're in. So we're going to try to navigate up this street. See if we can get ahead of all the people. I never see the street this crowded like this. Let me see. It is near Chinese New Year, so I guess it's some of the tourism has already begun. I guess it's crazy though. So St. Dominic's, there's more stuff up here. We're gonna look around in a second, see what that honking sign is. So check out that. Wow. Okay. More crowds up that way too. Okay, so we're just gonna follow St. Dominic's, which is what I usually do. I usually try to follow streets, get a taste for it on this particular date in time. Just kind of step out a little bit. I don't think I've seen this crowded in a long time. Still have the Santa Claus up there as well. So we're gonna keep on walking up, navigate through the crowds. And St. Dominic's just we're gonna show you. Wow, this is crazy crowded today. So the Portuguese bookstore is straight ahead, so we're gonna go towards that. So yeah, that's the Portuguese bookstore. Let's just take a look behind us before we leave this black and white tiled area. Jeez. It's crazy. So St. Dominic's actually keeps on going up. So we are going to run across right now. We still have our black and white tiles, and we have the Portuguese bookstore right there. And you can see we're still on St. Dominic Street, Rua de Domingos. And that's just a lot of people around. And we're going to follow this up to the end of the street, which is not too far away from here. But yeah, I have filmed this one other times, and I just don't think I've filmed it when it's been this crowded. This street can be quite crowded, but I mean that big main one, the big pedestrian street. So we're gonna come out a little bit more, and then we're gonna end our video. But up here, it's gonna come to the end of this particular street. Just kind of navigate a little bit. And now we come up to a Beco de Ruda. And then this is gonna be the end of the street. And then this turns into another street, different street name. So let's come out over this way. And so yeah, this is St. Dominic's. Beautiful building right there. And we're gonna end it right here.
Macau, oh my Macau, it's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh my Macau.